Hey guys, Mike Lissio, Assistant Manager here at the Baxter Radco store. Today we're talking about the 303 Protectant. We've had this product for a while now, but I really wanted to touch base with you on it and give you a little more info as to what it's used for. So right now we got a sale going on, buy one, get one half off. We have a couple different size options. You can do a 10 ounce, a 16 ounce, and a 32 ounce bottle. Great product right now, especially for tonneau covers, as well as using the interior vehicle. A lot of people don't know that. You can use it on the interior, you can use it on your boats, golf carts, really anything that's got a vinyl surface, but also on your dash in your vehicle. It's not going to leave any residue, any kind of marks. It's just a great product. So I actually use it on my tonneau cover here. That's what we like to see it used on the most, but again, you can use it on a whole lot of stuff. I recommend applying it to your tonneau cover monthly. It really prolongs the life of your cover and really brings back that shine. So kind of have a before and after of here on the cover itself. I like to apply mine monthly, so it's a little shiny on the other side here, but it's just a great product. It's going to bring back that shine even on the oldest of covers. So stop on in or give us a call at Radco. Thank you.